Hey guys, it's Eric again. Today I'm going to review with you how to change out the buttons on an Adec style air water syringe. Use a .05 Allen wrench to remove the screw that's centered between the air and the water button. Once the retention screw is removed, it's easy to access and remove each individual button. If the struggle is real with one button, use the Allen wrench to pry up on it to remove it. As you can see here, the O-ring at the end of the button was misaligned, making it difficult to remove. Once the buttons are out, use the back end of a cotton tip applicator to remove the conal springs. These springs should be replaced as they collapse and cause the buttons to stick. Now use the cotton side of the applicator soaked in alcohol to clean out the cavity of the air water syringe. Once the inside of the air water syringe is pristine, drop the conal springs in fat side down. From here, put one button in, then the retention screw, and then the next button. Once the new buttons are in place, gently press down on them. This gives you a little bit better access to the retention screw. From here, just tighten it up. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below. Have a great day.
This is Eric.